Hello, everyone, and I'm Professor Bhatta. I have about 47 years of experience, a mix of government, corporate, and academic. To start with, I was in the defense research and the defense organizations, making electronics for them and maintaining electronics. Thereafter, I moved to IIM Indore as a professor, taught there for some years, and due to personal reasons, relocated to Bangalore and now working with XIME. Initially, I was Dean of Research and presently I am looking after the Dean of PhD program. While in XIME, I have been teaching several subjects, essentially dealing with information systems, strategy, and the project management. I also do a lot of consultancy in these areas. I work with the senior managements and top managements of several organizations in setting up their strategy. Also, developing project management and program management plans for various companies. I also work with delivery excellence areas of IT organizations. And some of my favorite subjects are strategy, design thinking, innovation, and the program and project management and the agile systems. I generally love to teach in an experiential learning methodology, wherein I've created a number of games where people, through experience and playing, they will be able to learn much better. In this process, I've created games called jigsaw puzzles. I've created games on flying aeroplane models. I've also created games on planning poker games and various other project management and risk management games like Kashmir to Kanyakumari, etc., which have been proved very successful for our students. Students in the XIME are one of the best. Having taught in an IIM and having seen those students, I find that students in XIME are definitely better, but what they need to grow or what they need to improve themselves is their basic targets or their basic ambitions. They have to become more aspirational, more aggressive, and become much faster. Their aim should be much higher. I am more than certain with the type of students that we are getting, we will be able to reach much higher heights who will bring much better name for XIME. Long live our students and our organization.